two big companies hiring in Bangalore right now, Cisco and GE Vernova. Let me break both down quickly. Role is software UI developer. Location Bangalore. Experience needed 1 to 3 years. You'll be building internal developer platforms used by Cisco engineers across the world. Skills they want: React or Angular for frontend, Java or Go for backend, MongoDB or PostgreSQL for database, basic Docker and Kubernetes knowledge. Selection is 5 rounds: coding test, 2 technical interviews, then HR. If you have front-end or full-stack experience, this is a solid opportunity. Cisco on your resume is always valuable. Next one is role from Vernova FP&A analyst intern. Location Bangalore. This one closes 23rd April, very urgent. Now don't let the finance title confuse you. This is actually a data plus Python role. You'll be building automated pipelines using Python and Pandas, creating revenue forecast models using regression, and designing Power BI dashboards for leadership teams. Skills needed: Python, Pandas, and NumPy. Power BI or Tableau. Basic statistics, regression and trends. Advanced Excel. If you have a CS or data background, this is perfect. Finance plus Python is a rare combo and very high demand right now. Both links are in the description below. GE Vernova closes 23rd April, so apply that one first. If this helped, like the video and subscribe. Comment which one you're applying for. I read every comment. See you in the next one.